Now, we also have Microsoft earnings out, and they are hot fire flames right now. Everyone is like, wow, look at that. They were important for lots of reasons. And I know, Hans, you've got a position, I think, in Meta, but Microsoft for me was a much bigger important tell on the sentiment of the AI ecosystem. If it had failed in any way, shape, or form, and we'll have to see what the reaction is, that's more important. We were going to have a much bigger softness in the FANG 7 and the NASDAQ because they really are just unparalleled as it relates to their moat and their strength of late. So doesn't mean they can't come to some profit taking, and that's exactly what we're likely to see after this big beat. For those who are into technical weeds here, so Microsoft over here after market is obviously straight up, and this is the trend line that we've been talking about and showing, which had a very large up and to the right 45-degree angle. Nothing wrong with this chart. And then 55 days it closed a little bit below, and then it got supported the next day, gapped up, and then obviously it's well above the trend line now. But if I throw a fib level on here, which is just, notice I'm on a monthly here, this has reached kind of 545, 544 area. It overshot and it should come back in here. Would not surprise me at 551, which it just hit the highs, if this has a bunch of folks shorting here in order to capture, let's say, their bullish impulse into an earnings release. You can short the stock after hours, ensure your profits if you were bullish into this print. I would see that 545 area as an area for digestion. And if it closes inside, it can start to get more profit taking.
Join Samantha and Hans at the next Macro to Micro Options Power Hour, held each Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Registration is free. Scan this QR code or click on the link in the description.